Hey, in this tutorial I will be demonstrating how to make dotted lines in Gimp. Also I'm going to show you how to make a dotted circle or a dotted rectangle. First of all, make a new scene. Go to Tools and click on the Paths tool. I will click on two places. Now go to Edit, Stroke Path. In this place you can select the options for the line that you want. I can change line width. As you see, it works. Now make a dotted line. Go to Stroke Path again, change to Pattern, and in the Line Style option, change to Dash Pattern. You can select line forms from here. Let's try another style. The same way to make a dotted circle. Use the Ellipse Select tool. Make a form that you like. And repeat the process again. Thanks for watching. See you next time.